Hi everyone. In this video, I want to discuss with you problems in marginal costing chapter. So here already in the previous lecture, I explained you all what are the total formulas that we are going to use in this marginal costing. So if you have that idea, we can use all those formulas here while doing problems in marginal costing. If anyone have not seen that video, you can watch that video first so that you will understand this marginal costing problem solving. Let us go to the problem. Find the amount of variable cost from the following information. So here they are asking us to calculate variable cost. Our target is to find out the variable cost. And we should see actually what is the information given in the question so that we can use proper formula. Let us see what actually they have given in the question. Sales 2,85,000, fixed cost 50,000, profit 60,000. So here sales, fixed cost, profit, these three are given. And immediately we have to remember one formula. That is marginal costing equation. I have given in solution, you can see that. Marginal costing equation is fixed cost plus profit is equal to sales minus variable cost. This is a formula for marginal costing. That is marginal costing equation. So here four items are there. Fixed cost, profit, sales and variable cost. If three items values are there in the question, then easily we can find out the other value. If you see in the question, sales is there, fixed cost is given, profit is given. So out of all these four items, all the three are there except variable cost. And in the question they asked us to find out variable cost only. So we can use this marginal costing equation to find the variable cost. It is very simple. So here we have to play with the formulas. If you are able to use the formula, if you are able to apply proper formula here, easily we can find out what actually we have to find out. Let us substitute the values here. In the place of fixed cost is given in the question 50,000. So I have written 50,000 plus in the place of profit 60,000 is equal to, in the place of sales I have written 2,85,000 because in the question we have sales 2,85,000 only. You can see question and you can substitute the values. Next, minus variable cost. Variable cost value is not given in the question. We are going to find it out. So I have written variable cost only in the place of variable cost. I am not substituting that with any value because value is not there. We have to find that only. Let us solve it. In the next step, 50,000 plus 60,000, 1,10,000 is equal to 2,85,000 is there in the previous step. So say copy as it is minus variable cost. In the next step, what you do, you take variable cost to the left side. Minus variable cost will become plus variable cost. You take that side and 1,10,000 you bring this side after 2,85,000. So plus 1,10,000 will become minus 1,10,000. That is why in the next step we have variable cost is equal to 2,85,000. We are recording in the same place and that plus 1,10,000 in the previous step we are bringing after is equal to, so it is becoming minus 1,10,000. In the next step, variable cost is equal to, if we subtract these two, 1,10,000 from 2,85,000, we will get 1,75,000. So variable cost is equal to 1,75,000. This is very simple. And at the end we should write, therefore variable cost is equal to 1,75,000. That's it. This is very simple. Hope everyone understood this. If any doubts are there, you can comment in the comment section. I will reply for that. And if you want any videos on any problems, you can request in the comment section, so I will make other videos also for those problems. Let us go to next one. This is second question in marginal costing. Let me read question first, because first of all understanding question is very important. If you understand question properly, immediately you will be able to apply proper formula, so that you can do solution fastly and correctly. Let us read the question first. Calculate break-even point from the following figures. For break-even point, there are some formulas. I explained all those formulas in the previous video. You can go through that. So here, let us seek information in the question, and let us take proper formula here. Sales rupees 3 lakhs. Fixed expenses. Fixed expenses, fixed cost, both are same. Rupees 75,000. Next, direct material rupees 1 lakh. Direct labor rupees 60,000. Direct expenses rupees 40,000. This is the information in the question. Here you have to observe one point. Sales is there, fixed expenses is there in the question. But what are these direct material, direct labor, direct expenses? If any direct expenses, materials, anything is given by using the word direct, those are called variable cost. Hope this is clear. All are variable cost. We have to add all those so that we will get variable cost. I have given right side in one box variable cost. So if you add those direct materials 1 lakh, direct labor 60,000, direct expenses 40,000, we are getting 2 lakhs. You can see in the right side one box. So total 2 lakhs, that is variable cost. You should not get worried that variable cost is not given in the question. It is there, but they did not give directly. They have given indirectly. So we should add all those direct expenses so that we get variable cost. Let us go to solution now. BEP sales formula, so many are there. But one formula which we can apply here is BEP sales is equal to fixed cost by sales minus variable cost into sales. Why we can apply this formula? Because information which is suitable to apply to take this formula is given in the question. Fixed cost is there, sales is given, variable cost also is given. That is why I am using this formula. So let us substitute the values now. In the next step, all values are substituted. In the place of fixed cost, 75,000, and divided by, in the place of sales, 3 lakhs. Actually that is 3 lakhs. That is printing mistake. You can check that. So not 30,000, that is 3 lakhs, students. That is not 30,000, that is 3 lakhs. Okay. So you can take that. That is 30,000. That is not 30,000, that is 3 lakhs. Okay. So let me change it otherwise. But now this is not possible, I think. Okay, let me change. So let me change this. There is a printing mistake. Let me change. So 3 lakhs. And here this side also, in the place of sales we have to write 3 lakhs. Okay. I hope everything is clear now. Okay. Let me save this. And let us go to this again. Yeah, you can see now. 75,000 divided by, in the place of sales I have written 3 lakhs because it is given as 3 lakhs in the question, minus variable cost 2 lakhs. We only found it out in the box. Right side one box is there, that is variable cost 2 lakhs into sales. In the formula we have sales, no? So again we are writing sales rupees 3 lakhs in the next step. Let us go to other step. 75,000 divided by 3 lakhs minus 2 lakhs, we will get 1 lakh. That is why 1 lakh is given into 3 lakhs. If you do that calculation in calculator, 75,000 divided by 1 lakh into 3 lakhs, you will get 2 lakhs 25,000. That is BEP sales 2 lakhs 25,000. Okay. Hope this is clear to everyone. And let us go to next question. Yeah, let us go to third question. Here we have calculate, I am reading question first, concentrate on the question. Calculate break-even point from the following details. We have to calculate break-even point from the following details. Here they did not give whether we have to find out break-even units or break-even sales. Then what we have to find out? Break-even units or break-even sales. If information is suitable to find out both, we can find out both. If units information also is given, then we can find out BEP units. If all amounts are there, then we can find out BEP sales. Let us see how to find it out. So first let us read the question completely. Fixed cost, fixed expenses are given 3 lakhs. Variable cost per unit is given rupees 16. Selling price per unit is given rupees 21. So here per unit information is given for selling price as well as variable cost. So we can find out BEP units also. I have recorded, I have actually did the calculation of BEP units in the box. You can see that first right side one box is there. BEP units formula. We can apply here that formula. If you want clear information and clarity regarding formulas, what actually formulas are there in marginal costing and how many formulas are there. So all clear information is provided in the previous video. So you can go through that. Then it will be easy for you to solve here and to apply the formulas. So see here BEP units fixed is equal to fixed cost divided by sales minus variable cost. If we substitute the values, the price of fixed cost 3 lakhs divided by sales means selling price per unit 21 minus variable cost per unit 16. We will get again in the next step 3 lakhs divided by 5. So if you do that calculation, we get 60,000. Since this is BEP units formula, we have to write that as 60,000 units. So BEP units are 60,000. Okay. And let us find out BEP sales. That calculation is given on the left side. You can see that in the place of solution. So here fixed cost, variable cost, selling price is given. We can apply BEP sales formula that I have given here. You can see that BEP sales is equal to fixed cost by sales minus variable cost into sales. So all items information is given in the question. That is why I have taken this formula. So we can substitute the values now. In the place of fixed cost 3 lakhs divided by, in the place of sales 21 minus variable cost 16 and into sales 21. Okay. And next, in the next step 3 lakhs divided by 21 minus 16, we get 5 into 21 as it is we are recording. And if you do that calculation in the calculator, that is 3 lakhs divided by 5 into 21, you will get 12,60,000. That is BEP sales 12,60,000. That is the answer here. Okay. So hope this is clear for everyone. If any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. I will reply for that. Let us go to next one. Fourth question. Find PV ratio. PV ratio means profit volume ratio and margin of safety. So we have to find out two here. PV ratio as well as margin of safety. When sales, variable cost and fixed cost are 10 lakhs, 4 lakhs and 4 lakhs respectively. So sales 10 lakhs, variable cost 4 lakhs, fixed cost 4 lakhs. That is the information they have given in the question. Three items information is there and they are asking us to find out PV ratio and margin of safety. And let us see the solution. In the solution first I have taken all the three values. Sales 10 lakhs, variable cost 4 lakhs, fixed cost 4 lakhs. This is the information available in the question. And here they are asking PV ratio first. Next margin of safety. Let us find out PV ratio. So there are four formulas for PV ratio. I explained in the previous video. You can go through that. And here in the right side one box I have given PV ratio formulas. There are four formulas in PV ratio. And which is suitable that will be taken here. So sales, variable cost, fixed cost. Three items are given. You can see PV ratio formulas. First formula is PV ratio is equal to contribution by sales into 100. There is no contribution, so leave it. PV ratio is equal to fixed cost plus profit. We have fixed cost. Profit is not there, but sales is there. Okay, one item is missing, so leave it. Don't take that formula also. Let us go to third one. PV ratio is equal to sales minus variable cost divided by sales into 100. We have sales in the question. You can see variable cost is there. Sales again we have same sales, no, 10 lakhs we have it, and into 100. So we can take this formula because in the question whatever information is given, if you apply here, so this formula will be suitable for that information. So we can take this formula, third one. Fourth one we can't take here. So let us take third formula. So if you see left side, I have taken third formula. PV ratio is equal to sales minus variable cost divided by sales into 100. So let us substitute the values here. In the place of sales, I substituted 10 lakhs minus variable cost 4 lakhs divided by sales 10 lakhs into 100. And in the next step, 10 lakhs minus 4 lakhs, 6 lakhs we get, divided by 10 lakhs into 100. So if you do this calculation in the calculator, 6 lakhs divided by 10 lakhs into 100, you will get 60%. 60 you get in the calculator. So since this is PV ratio, you should mark percentage also. PV ratio always will be shown in the percentage. So 60 you will get, so you should write percentage. PV ratio is 60%. That's it. One item means whatever they asked in the question, we found it out, PV ratio. And next our duty is to find out margin of safety. So let us find out the margin of safety now. Let us go to calculating that margin of safety. Okay, so if we want to calculate margin of safety, we should take the formula. For finding out margin of safety, there are two formulas actually. One is margin of safety is equal to sales minus BEP sales. So in this question, sales is given in the question, but BEP sales are not there. We can't take that formula. And one more formula is margin of safety is equal to profit by PV ratio. So profit also is not given in the question. PV ratio just now we found out 60%. So if we take other formula, just now what I told, that is margin of safety is equal to sales minus BEP sales. If we take that formula, BEP sales we have to find out. If we take this formula, what I have given here, margin of safety is equal to profit by PV ratio. If we want to take this formula, PV ratio is there, but profit is not there. So if you want to take any one formula, we have to find out one item compulsorily. If we take that formula, BEP sales should be found out. If you want to take this formula, profit we have to calculate first. So work is there. That is why I have taken this. If you want, you can take that also. Okay. So, but if we take any formula, we will get same answer. Let us take this formula. I have taken this formula, and first I have to find out profit with the information available in the question. So in the question, what information is available? Sales, variable cost, fixed cost information is there. Profit I have to find out. So I think in the previous problems, in this video only, we have taken marginal costing equation. Okay, so in the box here on the left side, on the right side, I have taken that marginal costing equation, and I found out that. See here, sales minus variable cost is equal to fixed cost plus profit. Okay, that is marginal costing equation. So fixed cost plus profit. Profit, yeah, you can write that side after fixed cost plus profit, you can write that side. Okay, so if you want, let me write that. Yeah, now this is clear. This is marginal costing equation. It should be like that. Profit in the previous screen, profit came down, no? So sales minus variable cost is equal to fixed cost plus profit. Okay, let us substitute the values. 3 values are given in the question. Profit is not there. We can find out profit because in the formula 4 items are there. If 3 items values are given in the question, it is very easy to find out fourth one. In the place of sales 10 lakhs minus in the place of variable cost 4 lakhs is equal to fixed cost 4 lakhs plus profit. We have written profit only because profit is not there. Let us calculate that. 10 lakhs minus 4 lakhs, 6 lakhs is equal to 4 lakhs. As it is, we took 4 lakhs plus profit. In the next step, 6 lakhs we copied as it is from the previous step. 4 lakhs is given in the previous step after is equal to. If we bring that before is equal to, plus 4 lakhs will become minus 4 lakhs. So 6 lakhs minus 4 lakhs is equal to profit. Okay, so how much profit we will get now? 2 lakhs profit we get. Clear? So we get how much profit? 2 lakhs profit we get. Let me write that. 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs is what? Profit. Okay, 2 lakhs is a profit. See here now, it is clear for, I think it is clear for everyone. 2 lakhs is profit. So profit we calculated. So we can substitute here on the left side to find out the margin of safety. Margin of safety formula is profit by PV ratio, and let us substitute the values. In the place of profit 2 lakhs divided by PV ratio is 60%. Here we just now found out 60% that I took. And in the next step, 2 lakhs divided by 60%. If you calculate in the calculator, 60% how we calculate? 60 by 100. 30% means 30 by 100. You calculate, you just do that calculation in the calculator, you will get the value. Here it is 60%. So you have to type 60 divided by 100 is equal to, you will get 0.6. Okay, and in the next step, 2 lakhs divided by 0.6 you do in the calculator, you will get 3 lakhs 33,333.3333 like that. Okay, and we can remove that decimal points 0.333 and we can take only 3,33,333 rupees. So what is the margin of safety here? 3,33,333. Hope this is clear for everyone. Any doubts you can mention in the comment section. If you understand this, like it, share it and subscribe this. Thank you very much.